Hi everyone, welcome back to Yedo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Lenovo TAB M8 model. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, apply heat to loosen the adhesive. We are using a heating pad for this step. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Once the screen is sufficiently heated, place a suction cup near the bottom edge of the display. In here, we use a regular suction cup to lift the front assembly. Using the suction cup, gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work carefully around the screen to loosen the adhesive. Gently cut through it using the tool. This step will take time and needs patience. Always use the tip of the tool. Do not insert it too far, as this can damage internal flex cables or other components. Next, gently lift the screen from the top edge and flip it over to access the connector plugs. Next, undo two screws to pull the bracket. Next, disconnect the battery connector. And then disconnect the LCD plug to free the broken screen from the body. Next, remove the LCD flex from the broken screen. Free the adhesive and lift the lever to take out the LCD cable. Next, secure the LCD flex on the new screen and fasten the lever and tape. Next, install the new screen in the body. Next, secure the LCD plug to the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, place and secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, install the screen onto the body by applying adhesive. For this, you can use pre-cut screen adhesive or B7000 glue along the edges. Next, slide the screen into place from the bottom to the top. Then gently press down along the edges to secure it to the frame. Gently run your fingers along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the screen to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.